Come on, baby.
You like that? You like bouncy, bouncy.
You just need a little apple box under you, huh?
Little jumperoo.
Yay! There you go. There you go,
Nice. You're getting a...
baby.
Maybe we should just take it off. Good boy, Baba. You like it. Now you know what it does. Yeah. Hello. Good boy. You like it? Yes, you do. It looks like you do. Boing. 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 Boing.
La cucaracha ba yan? La cucaracha, la cucaracha. Huwag ka titingin sa painting. La cucaracha, la cucaracha. Tarararararara. La cucaracha, la cucaracha. La cucaracha. Nakuha ma?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, Raiden. That's a workout for Lola. Hi, Baba. What are you eating? Oatmeal with pears? He likes it a little bit better, actually. I think because the oatmeal is sweet. Just with the breast milk. Come on. Good boy. He's just sitting in his mouth. Ooh, yummy.
Good.
Yummy.
Mmm.
Aw, look at that.
Oh my gosh, man. Are you kidding me?
Wow, this is so manly right now. Honey,
Come on, friggin' down 5'2" now.
honey, you look so manly right now. Watching the game with your buddy Ted. That's Ted. Did you know that? A giant-sized Ted. That lips puckered up, so focused.
Should I take a shower now? Jordan?
I don't know, honey.
What time is it?
This is our daily. Do you want to take a shower? Do you not want to take a shower?
What time is it? Ooh, Raiden, look, you can ride the horse yet, Meyer.
They don't have horse there.
There you do.
He is so satisfied with his jumperoo right now. He don't need nothing else.